everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. Isn't it interesting to know that the drink you relish has a century old history? Yes, tea has been around for a long period of time and is a part of many cultures across the world. So let's see some of the interesting facts about the history of tea. History of tea drinking dates back to 750 BC. In India, generally tea is grown in northeastern part of Nilgiri hills. Tea is also known by the name of chai and everywhere in India it is famous. You will see it in various tea stalls and railway platforms. In India, the history of drinking tea began with a Buddhist monk around 2000 years ago who became the founder of Zen Buddhism and decided to spend 7 sleepless years to contemplate the life and teaching of Buddha. When there was the 5th year of contemplation, he fell asleep. Then he took some leaves of bush and started chewing them. This leaf revived him and enabled him to stay awake. And amazing is that it was nothing but a leaves of wild tea plant. In this way, tea became prevalent in India and local people started chewing the leaves of wild tea plant. The commercial production of tea in India was started by British East India Company and the first tea garden was also established by them at the end of 19th century after the company took over tea cultivation in Assam. In 1823 and 1831, an employee of East India Company, Robert Bruce, and his brother Charles confirmed that the tea plant was indeed a native of Assam areas and then sent seeds and specimens of plant to the officials of newly established botanical garden in Kolkata. There are three main varieties of tea in the world, namely the Indian tea, the China tea and the hybrid tea. From these teas only, various types of tea are produced like green tea, white tea, herbal tea, etc. Green tea is the most popular tea globally, is unoxidized and has less caffeine than the black tea. Benefits of green tea is its antioxidant property which aids in preventing cancer, raise metabolism rate, reduce fat, reduce the probability of heart disease. Black tea, it is stronger tea than any other tea. It has high caffeine content and enjoys the maximum sales in the world. Plain black tea without sugar contains antioxidants and is beneficial in reducing cardiovascular diseases. White tea, it is the rarest variety of tea. These leaves are picked and harvested before their buds are fully open and covered with the white hair on them. It undergoes least processing and is not fermented. Their flavors are light and have less caffeine and more antioxidant properties. Herbal tea. Tisane is an herbal infusion which is made up of any part of plant either from dry or fresh flower, roots, seeds or leaves. Even flavored tea can be prepared by adding this regular tea like jasmine tea of China. For various medicinal purposes, herbal tea is consumed. Oolong tea. It is originated from China and is considered between black and green tea and has different taste from the other tea as well. Amazing is that oolong tea is brewed in a special type of pot known as gaiwan. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, do like, do comment and new viewers do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for the latest video update. You can also follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye friends. See you in the next video.